Hello everyone, hope all you people are doing well. So here I am again came up with some new video and this will be interesting for you. And here I will be teaching you how to change different fonts of your system or the laptop. Like you people always works with that default font which we have been given. Now if suppose if you want to change that font, how you are gonna change that font? See, it is not that what to say too much in what to say use topic, but I thought like people who really goes through different function in order to what to say just know what is there and what are the workings of the different functions of the system. So there might they will have that curiosity how to change the font, as we can change that font in our what to say system. What to say the phones or tablets which we are using, right? So in the similar way we can change the font over here in our laptops or our PCs. So for that, what you need to do is you have to type in some particular code, and then you can go in and change that font. Don't worry, that code is small, and if you want that code you can find that code in the description. I have given the links to the files of those code, and you can copy that code from there and you can try out that code and check whether it is working for you or not. So let's start with that. For that, first you have to open your notepad and go and type that code, as I have already typed for you. So this is the code. So what you need to do is you have to type in this whole code as it is shown here, and this is the font name Cabriola Regular. So for this you have to change the font name which you want to change your laptops or systems font, or what to say your desired font. For that, how to get to know what font I should give, or you might have what to say some kind of dilemma like which font we should give. So for that, go to format section. Here in font section you can select any font, as many fonts are given over here. Suppose if I'll go with the normal font which we normally use is Times New Roman, and we'll copy it from here and then we'll put it here city. Now let me delete it first. Okay, now what you need to do is you don't save it in text file, you have to save it as, go to file section and save as, and here change this text document to all files, and then the txt should be changed as reg, because you are creating a registry for changing the font, right? So for that, extension is .reg, and then save your file. You will be getting a kind of this registry like here, and what you need to do is now you have to double click on it, and then you will be getting dialog box, and every time you have to click yes and yes. So I will be clicking no because I don't want to change. So in this way, after that, after clicking all three times yes, you have to restart your system in order to see the changes of the fonts of your desired font, right? After that, if suppose if you want to change back to your default font which was earlier, so for that what you need to do is you have a separate code for that. So for that, like sometimes people what they do is they'll go to control panel, and then they'll go into font section, and here in font setting they will try to restore default font setting. If you will try this, nothing is gonna happen, because you have already changed your default font, and now this default font setting will be working for this change font. So this is not gonna change. For that, for restoring your default font, there is one separate code you have to do. So what you need to do is again open your notepad and type in this whole code. Don't even change a single comma or equal marks. you have to type in whole code and you need not to change anywhere, and then again you have to save as registry file. So for this again you have to correct all file, and then on place of .txt extension you will be providing reg and then save. By that you will be again getting one registry file like this I got here, and then again you will be double clicking on it, and you have to again give yes and so on, yes and yes. Again I am giving no because I don't need to change my default folder as it is already in default. And again you will restart and you will be seeing that your font is restored back to normal. So this is how this all is done. And now if you are thinking how to write this code and all, you might be, as I have told earlier in this video itself, you can get this code from the description. I have given both the links to both the files. You have means you can copy your code from that and you can try out on your system, and then you can see whether it is working for you. And if you have some doubt, please post in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to like and comment on our videos, and please press bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you.